The Superman who swept Liz Hurley off her feet is a horse-loving poet who has met the Queen. Actress Liz, 56, was seen dressed as Supergirl, rolling around on the floor with a mystery man on New Year's Eve. We can reveal the superhero she was wrestling was top hat and tails loving Henry Birtles, 55, who has separated from his wife. But Henry, who recites poems at racecourses, insisted yesterday he and Liz were just old friends, along with her ex Shane Warne. He said, "It was a laugh, okay, it was past midnight. Everyone had had a bit too much to drink and we had a Superman vs Supergirl wrestle and someone took a picture. It was pretty lighthearted." The pair had their hands clasped together while Liz's nude fishnets were on show, along with an orthopedic boot following a foot injury. Henry, who was pictured meeting the Queen alongside Joanna Lumley at Buckingham Palace in 2013, went on, "I have been a friend of Liz's for 30 years. Her best friend is my best friend. I was the best man at his wedding and we are just great old friends. And it is nothing more than that. Elizabeth has come horse racing with me several times. I am a friend of Shane Warne." Henry, known as the racing poet, added, "This is nothing. It has all just gone a bit pear-shaped." Liz featured in Henry's video for his England 2014 Football World Cup poem That Time Again. The Henry Birtles website states, his poems are a regular feature on Cheltenham Gold Cup Day where he recites to the crowd. Got a story? Ring the Sun on 0207 782 4104 or WhatsApp on 07423720250 or email exclusive@thesun.co.uk.